That nature is a Heraclitean fire, and of the comfort of the resurrection, by Gerard Manley Hopkins. Cloud puffball, torn tufts, tossed pillows, flaunt forth, then chevy on an air-built thoroughfare. Heaven roisterers, in gay gangs they throng, they glitter in marches. Down rough cast, down dazzling whitewash, wherever an elm arches. Shive lights and shadow tackle in long lashes lace, lance and pear. Delightfully the bright wind boisterous ropes, wrestles, beats earth bare of yester tempests' creases. In pool and rut peel parches, squandering ooze to squeezed dough, crust, dust. Stanches, starches, squadroned masks and man-marks, treadmire toil there, foot fretted in it. Million fuelled, nature's bonfire burns on, but quench her bonniest, dearest to her, her clearest selved spark, man. How fast his fire dint, his mark on mind is gone. Both are in an unfathomable, all is in an enormous dark drowned. O pity and indignation! Man-shape that shone sheer off, disseveral, a star. Death blots black out, nor mark is any of him at all so stark, but vastness blurs and time beats level. Enough! The resurrection, a heart's clarion. Away, grief's gasping, joyless days, dejection. Across my foundering deck shone a beacon, an eternal beam. Flesh fade and mortal trash fall to the residuary worm. World's wildfire leave but ash. In a flash, at a trumpet crash, I am all at once what Christ is, since he was what I am. And this Jack, joke, poor potsherd, patch, matchwood, immortal diamond, is immortal diamond.